In the previous video, I generated the API key in OpenAI and included in my Visual Studio Code. And after that, I did the installation of the requirements which are required for my practice. So here, if you notice, I created the .env where I included the key, API key, and the requirements I also installed. Now you see, I will be going to call my LLM using the Python code. So what I will be going to do, I will go back to Visual Studio Code and I will be going to create a file, and I will call it as LLM calling.py. Okay, this is the name of the file. And first what I will do, I will be going to import some classes and functions from different packages. So first, from LangChain OpenAI package, I will be going to import a class which is called ChatOpenAI, and also I will import from .env package, I will import load.env. Now this is a function, load.env is a function, and ChatOpenAI is a class. First, I will be going to call this load.env function. Now, what this function will do, you see, it will load all the environment variables which are defined in this .env. It means, you remember, in this .env, I have created this OpenAI API key. So this API key will be loaded in here when I will be going to call this function. Once this API key is loaded, now you see, I can create the object of this ChatOpenAI class. So what I will do, I am calling this ChatOpenAI class, and you see, inside this I can pass the model. So if you see here, if you put your mouse over here, ChatOpenAI, it is showing you the details. Using this ChatOpenAI class, you can call different models of OpenAI like GPT-4, and there are many other things, but right now I just include the model name only, not other things. So here what I do, I will just put model here. So the model equal to, here you can put GPT-4. So in this way, I am creating an object which is called LLM object using this ChatOpenAI class. After that, using this LLM object, I will call this invoke function, and using this invoke function, here I can pass my query just like you pass the query to ChatGPT. For example, you can ask any question here. What do you mean by LLM in AI, in artificial intelligence? What do you mean by LLM? And you see, that function will return me a result. So I will put result equal to LLM.invoke, and after that I will be going to print that particular result. So that's it. This is my first code. So what I did, I first included ChatOpenAI class from LangChain OpenAI package, and this function load.env from .env package, and then I will be going to call this function. This function will load all the environment variables, so that key will be loaded which I have written in the .env file. So once this will be loaded, after that I am calling the ChatOpenAI class, and I am saying that okay, I want to use this GPT-4 model, and I have created the object of that, and then I am calling this function using the LLM object, and I am asking my query, and after that it will be going to print the result. So if I run this, so you see it has given me this result content, and this is the result of my question, that LLM stands for large language model, and so on. But it has given me lot of extra information. If you see, it has given me additional keyword arguments, token usage, and lot of extra things which I don't need. But you see, I am only interested in the content of it, which is actual result. So what I do, instead of print result, I just do print result dot content. That will be going to give me the cleaner result it will not give this extra information. So if I just run it now, so here it is more cleaner information, not extra stuff. So in this way, we can call our GPT models using LangChain.